Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy loaded smashed potatoes. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of dishes and food homemade the easy and simple way, subscribe so you will always get my videos and hit that bell so you will get notified. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to be making this in foil bowls. You just need a medium-sized piece of foil, fold it in half again, and then just turn the edges up all the way around. Quick, simple, and the clean up is super easy. So I'm going to be making 3 of these. So we have 3 bowls here, and it doesn't have to be fancy or anything. Just make sure that all of your edges are turned up so that your food will stay inside, just like a regular bowl. Now I have some fingerling potatoes that I have already washed, boiled to fork tender. Now I'm just going to put a few in each of my foil bowls. Just a few. They're kind of small, so you don't have to measure or they don't have to be exactly even. So I'm doing 3, so you just want to make sure each one has a good amount in there. And then we're actually going to take the fork and smash them. We'll be putting spinach and cheese in them with some Parmesan cheese on top. And we're going to also add some of these bacon pieces. Yum. So you just want to smash them. Take the back of your fork and smash them. You don't want them mashed. You want them smashed. So don't smash them so much until you don't have anything but mashed potatoes in there. So you just want to get in there and make sure they're good and smashed and spread it around so that they will cook evenly. You want to do each one of the bowls like that. And then what we're going to do next is just put a little cheese down first. Now I have Gouda cheese and cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Those are some of my favorites. So I'm going to put a little of the Gouda on bottom. Then just going to add some spinach on top. You can also put any toppings that you want on there. Sprinkle a little bacon pieces on. And then we're going to top it with some more cheddar cheese and Parmesan. I've actually done these with cream cheese and broccoli with some spring onion in there. So, you know, the choices are obviously whatever you like. So now guys, we will be baking this in a 350-degree oven until the cheese melts and bubbles, just like that. Look at that. Don't they look good? Yum. Like I said, you can put any topping you want on there. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I so appreciate it. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think, what toppings you put on yours or would like to put on yours. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell so you'll always get notified. And guys, I've got a link to my Patreon page in the description. If you like these how-to videos, please consider supporting me over there as well. Thanks so much for watching.